A very warm welcome to the Altcoin of the day. Today, I would like to put a beam with ticker symbol BEAM in USDT as an altcoin of the day. And beam, you can also say beam me up, Scotty, like Star Trek, because I think beam is ready for a huge rally towards 80 cents or maybe $1. And on the weekly basis, you cannot see too much. And you have to go further down into the history, 1.40. So maybe X3, 3X would be possible. If you take a look at Beam, Beam is now trading around 0.55 cents. Here it says 56, but it's not true because I was taking a look at Binance and it was lower. Anyway, you take a look at the green line, that is the price. And if you take a look for the chart, and it is here, price 0.57 was earlier this year. And I'm not sure if we can take a look at yeah, this one. This is the green one. I would like to put year to date. You can see that the market didn't move too much. And still there's room to the upside. If you take a look at the market cap, it also has been slashed down. And if you take a look at ROI, since the inception is 2.56%. All-time high was standing at 3.21. It doesn't show here on the chart, but you can imagine that it was yeah 2.4. Yeah, it was in the earlier days of 2019. So 3.21 January 28. All-time low was standing at 14.8 cents March 13, and the weekly range is 1.60 high, 15 cents low. So I think there is much room to the upside. I just bought for $100 something for the swing trading portfolio, and here it is on 181 based on 0.55. However, I was a little bit lucky because I put a little bit earlier. I could pick up some 94 and 93, so it's 187 beams. One is still 4.85 and 4.5% into the plus. With 3C exchange, I put very nice trading, buying smart trade on at around 3.51. And if you take a look at the chart here, I think that I have two buys. One is at 0.534. One was at the market, and the other one, the second one, I think a little bit lower. I think I'm not sure. Not too much lower, but 0.5358. But still, we are into the plus. Here it says 1.1, 1.20. So for me, 100%. I'm not going for less than 100% profit. And if you take a look at the weekly charts, maybe you can see some nice move to the upside further. And here it is. The history is not too much. 1.80. 3x could be possible in the near future. Anyway, Beam is now ranked number 169 with a market cap of around 38 million dollars. Take a look at the daily charts, and this is the weekly. We'll zoom into the daily with the trading navigator. Here it says a nice buying opportunity, and I put this coin out for the trading opportunity today with our members of mijnbeleg.com and also for Crypto Academy. So if you're looking for a quick gain for 100% near term, you definitely should take a look at Beam. For now, I wish you a very pleasant evening, of course. Of course, put the stop loss, whatever you want. I don't put it too tight. Maybe 45 cents. 45 cents. It's a nice, it's nice stop loss level. But I would rather prefer to put it 0.35, and especially when we put at the target on 1, and then we have more than 5 versus 20. So it's 2.5 reward risk. That's a very nice angle, I think. I wish you very good luck. Hasta la vista. Bye bye.